Hey guys, let me show you today how to use hold to play and move to play in your video playables. Let me start with the with uploading simple video. As you can see, there is a character moving around the game. Uh, Now it's only simple video without any interactions. What I would do now is this kind of gameplay requires something more than just touch and click. It actually needs something to hold and to move. So that's why you will utilize this break called hold to play. So I will add a new one, and let's say that for this playable it is 8 seconds long. So let me say that from 0 from the beginning to 6 seconds of this video I would like to have this kind of hold to play, let's say action waiting. And let us help the user a little bit so he knows what he actually needs to hold and play. So by uploading this kind of asset, it's like a simple joystick, let's say. Now the playable would be waiting that anywhere inside of this green rectangle, when user will actually hold the screen, the game will continue. So let us try. Now I'm not holding the screen, so it's not continuing. Now I hold. Now I'm again. I stopped holding it, so the game pauses again, and again, and again, until the 6 second threshold is reached, because I set it up until 6 seconds, and then the video continues. So then you would add some sort of end screen there and have some sort of clickable end card as well. What's missing here, or how to tweak this a little bit, would be I would add, let's say, another sprite that would be just a simple hand with let's say scale animation, and I would also add another element that would have only text, and it would be hold joysticks to play. Very simple one. Let's put it somewhere on top. So now basically the user have got very same interaction, but he knows what is expected out of him. He's holding the joystick, character is moving. Now I stopped holding it, and that's it, the game ends. Now what would be even better is to actually use not hold element but move around element, so move the screen. In this case I would change this hold to play to move to play, just to prompt the user even more. I would tell him move the joystick to play, and this hand element I need to change it to move to play as well. Or actually this can be no action because it can be there all the time. And joystick change to move to play. Now what would happen here is that if user only touches the joystick and doesn't move his finger, it will pause because it's not getting any messages in terms of that some movement is happening. If this is like this, set up to move to play, it will be waiting for user actually to move a thumb inside of this green rectangle. To make it even more clear for the user, I would change this scale animation to path animation and use the infinity symbol for that one, so the user understands that he needs to actually move around in the area. Let us try to play it. So as you can see, now it's waiting. Now I'm only holding, so it's not doing anything, but as I started moving, the character moves. Now I stop moving, and again the video is paused. So it somehow mimics the gameplay that user would have with the final game, so he understands he needs to move around. For playables, this would work for you, and this is exactly how you would utilize those two breaks: move to play and hold to play. Cheers guys, ciao ciao.